I guess.
By far the most legal shine you can buy. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? Yeah. Goes down smooth, but it's got a wicked burn, y'all. You can't handle that burn. Breathe out. I got one rule at my bar. If you cough, you give me permission to come run that bar and take my booty up your booty, okay? Nah, that sounds really bad, didn't it? I meant shoe. Shut up, okay? I need more shots. Shut up.
A second tasting room here at Tennessee Shine.
1, 2, 3, shoot those back. And give me some feedback. Give me some feedback. Now, this watermelon is not a sweet watermelon. It's going to be a tart watermelon. Alright, 1, 2, 3, shoot those back. Let me know what you think.
That one's good.
Alright.
That was good.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, that's a good one.
Huh?
I like that one.
Alright. Anyone want this one?
Sure, why not?
We'll help each other out a little bit.
Extra corn.
All that I'm sampling is out there for right now, but this does change every day.
I know, that's right.
Alrighty, folks. Now I am coming around to you with our newest flavor. This is a 40 proof coconut rum. Alright, go ahead and shoot those back. 1, 2, 3.
That one's very good. Yeah. Which one was that?
Let me know your feedback, folks. I want to hear you.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. This is our root beer. It tastes just like the root beer barrels that used to sit at the bottom of your grandmother's purse, usually half unwrapped. Alright, go ahead and try that root beer. It's going to come on the going back in the middle. It's going to have the kick to it. Let me know what you think.
I like the last one better. So we gotta remember.
The coconut one was
What's
better.
his name?
Alright, folks. Now I am coming around with our apple pie. Alright, folks. I am coming around with our next one, a salted caramel whiskey moonshine.
This type of
chocolate milk. Have fun, guys. Enjoy. Okay. Bye.
Go ahead and shoot that down. Tell me how much you like me.
Oh yeah, I do.
That's tasty.
Alrighty, folks, I am coming at you with this next one. It is our banana cream moon pie. Alright, go ahead and shoot those things back.
Which one's the one you really like?
I think that one better than the other
That could even call that a taste. I don't like key lime.
Now, folks, this key lime.
I know.
Alright, folks, go ahead and shoot that key lime back.
Oh, she's whoa.
This one is a little bit different, so listen up. This is our Bloody Mary. I'm going to feed you breakfast. This Bloody Mary is a mixture. It is our jalapeno cornbread moonshine mixed with our Bloody Mary mix, topped off with a little bit of pickle juice. Alright, go ahead and eat your breakfast.
The mixes in the store are never good, but the homemade ones are.
Yeah, I would think the homemade ones would be.
Actually,
Let me know what you think.
Florida makes a good one.
Alrighty, folks, now I am going to bring you to our favorite concoction, my favorite mixture, a fan favorite overall. We have our Choco Moo and our coconut rum.
The cocoa was the one I liked really well as well. That was the one we liked.
Alrighty, folks, this mixture. Alright, go ahead and bring up the milk.
Alright.
Feedback?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, I know that's some good drinking nuts. I do. Thank you very much.
I like it a lot.
You're fun.
Well, thank you. I try my best. Alright, go ahead and shoot that list. Come back.
So you guys videotaping everything? That's good. Is this your
Alright.
These guys, they're my professionals, they're my regulars. And so they have wanted to get me on film for a few times now. They've never seemed to get their shit together. I don't try them all. He tries them all.
Okay.
They okay with the dirty and everything like that?
Yeah.
You do whatever you want. As long as you know you're going to be on YouTube.
I'm fine with that.
Okay, full disclosure, I actually get paid to drink on my job. We hiring, honeys, we hiring.
135 proof, straight off the steel. This one right here is going to put hair on chest, is what I've seen so far today. Even on women, it's real weird.
Cheers. Can we? Y'all just, it's fine. Just leave me hanging. It's cool. This is, we're not driving anywhere. This is bullshit, y'all. Like, you never ever leave a woman hanging. You just don't do it. Yeah, all right. Cheers to the holidays, all 365. Right?
She was a wobbler, so I had to go for it.
Let's go. You see that? See that bubbles over? What do you think that's called? You know what that's called? Really?
You're gonna have bartenders. I know that. They just say, "Oh, you got a perfect bubble."
No, honey, that's a rim job. Yeah, so put your mouth on that and get your rim job. See what I mean? That's how it's sitting there. Put your mouth around it. It's gonna be your first rim job.
Our flavors, we flavor with nothing artificial.
Look at mine.
Okay, I'm done.
100 proof is a Southern craft. This one to me is more like a Jameson top deal. Even 100 proof. My personal favorite out of them all so far. Peachy Beach. Peachy Beach is a 50 proof. Reminds me a lot like a peach crown or like a peach snapple ordeal. This is the one you want to put McDonald's sweet tea. You know, start your mornings off right.
Shoot this straight back.
Enjoy your lunch
Shoot
break.
it, blow out.
Oh yeah.
It's the jalapeno cornbread, 70 proof. This one right here starts real, the apple one. Starts out with that jalapeno up front and all the cornbread's on the back end. So it kind of bounces
Nothing
it
to do
out.
with no rubbing alcohol. Sorry, crap.
It's completely different than you
Yeah. Apple pie, 40 proof. It's the #1 selling moonshine anywhere you go. This one right here is America in a jar. It's the bee's knees, the kitten's tittens, Leonard Skinner, Plain Free Bird in the back. Oh, years. This one right here, the 2 shots of it will have you Star Spangled Hammer. It's a 40 proof. Choco Moon, 34 proof, kind of like a Wendy's chocolate frosty on steroids minus the fries you dip it in, okay? It's a 34 proof.
You making dirty nuts. I can just tell when biscuits, dirty nuts are being made.
They're not biscuits, dirty nuts, okay?
They ain't Kayla's.
No, hell no, they're not. We need to get something clever. Coconut rum by itself. Hang on now. Y'all, jump in the damn thing. See? Baby, you and I got a rim job, so let's do this right.
You're not gonna get the spice, okay?
That is so
It ain't hot, it ain't hot.
Alright, so
You're
yeah.
gonna get the
Now
flavor
you're gonna
of
get a
it.
mouthful of
Then you're gonna taste
biscuits, dirty
cornbread.
nuts. So, honey, yeah, you about to have a first time experience.
I drink a straight.
So you enjoy my nuts, baby.
First thing you had.
I've heard that I've got some good nuts. Have you tried this? Come on, bitch. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm jumping the gun a little bit more, a little bit.
That might be the bee's knees, the kitten's tittens.
Right? Okay, so hold up.
We didn't buy that one.
So you got to learn the cocktails, okay? And I only do this shit for customers that I appreciate and I come back and stuff like that. So don't do
Don't
all
do it
this
for anybody.
to everybody, okay?
They walk in with the camera, they got it.
Just saying, you know what I mean? Okay, so we've been here last week. She recognizes it. Yeah.
It's gonna taste like that Bridgestone football.
No?
The ice cream, I drink in the toilet.
You have had this experience, and it's unfortunate, and I don't want you to have to go through it in a bad way again, okay? So I'm looking out for you, okay? So we're going to make it a positive experience, and what I'm talking about is when you mix these together,
With a
this
straw.
right here is called a set of blue balls. Okay? See this? So this is your good blue balls. You know what I mean?
Or rum chata.
That's good.
I like that a lot.
That's really good.
And I won't say that by itself, but that's good to
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate y'all.
That's for my leftovers. Man, let's squeeze you that shit to the end of the bar. You should know better, right? That's the end of the day. I don't give a shit anymore. You know what I mean? Type deal. There you go. You about to have first experience too, unless you've gone lesbian way and done buttery nipples before, you know what I mean? But no. How are my nipples? Ooh, fantastic, right? I know. Smooth, right? Eli.
That's good.
That was very good.
And the dream cream.
Yeah, the dream cream we had not tried before this trip.
Right.
So this is actually the base of all our creams. All our creams. Good. So, yep, it's got hits of vanilla. That's good coffee cream or swap. God damn it, hold on. This right here, okay, so this right here, cream and espresso. This is your latte.
You need sugar.
Thank God I've had a few shots.
There you go.
Really good. Can we just bring you home with us? We have to spend right. Yeah, hey, listen, if I get away from my 5 kids and my damn husband, sold, baby. Live in Florida. Oh, shit. I mean, you can turn this pale, pasty ass into something. Because, I mean, that's going to be a tap. I mean, hey, it's better than white. You know what I mean? Holy hell.
Yeah.
Only about 30 minutes from the beach. We want to move up here.
That's good.
So we switch. We can both house swap. But the thing is, my house comes with 5 kids, so no. You
My
Walk around and thank you like, come on.
hate you even more. Yeah.
Thank you so much. That was wonderful.
No problem, man. You both can do good.
You did a great job.
Oh, yeah.